Hey everyone, I want to show you my little hydroponics setup. I'm going to move my tomatoes out of the way and we can get in here and start seeing what all we can pick. That's a lemon verbena I have rooted. There's another one. So, let's pull this out a little bit. Okay, this is the homemade system. Just climb in here and start harvesting. This is the fourth time on this tray. Be the second time on the next one. As you can see, it's really nice lettuce. I've learned if you let it get up into the lights, then it burns, or it's just not that good anymore. So you got to pick it before it gets into the lights. This will probably have one more picking and then I'll have to restart them. So there's that one. Now let's see what we get out of this next one. Make sure you can see that. This is 6 plants in here. They've been in here about 2 weeks. Here's what we're looking at. And it's a pretty nice looking lettuce. Pretty nice looking lettuce. So, gotta harvest it. Hard to believe you can get leaves that big. I guess we'll stop there. Here's our pile. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll be able to do that again on these exact same 12 plants in about 4 days, 4 to 6 days. They'll be ready to go again. So we can get lettuce in the dead of winter under a couple of 4-foot shop lights, using plastic containers and yogurt cups for the holders. If you like these videos, please subscribe, give it a like, hit the, I think there's a notify button so you'll know when they come. But we're going to do this all winter, learn how to grow things inside and get ready for the garden outside. So thank you for watching.